Sembut mitrang ba ka Jylla Meghalaya ba Prestone tinsong da ka papenpaw bolai I hakikot kubor ya ka jingkran da kinong ilam ko United Democratic Party UDP ba kimsilan banweng ya ka jingkersan nak sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA pelalam kemat da ka National People Party NPP namar ya awan ka synshar Presiden ha ka Jylla habakan tho ya ka niyo ba Prestone tinsong labu jingkeli kelai ko UDP da ka boong bala da kisngau ba ka jingjot kanang jur ya ki kamman kuntiyo ya ka Jylla ha ka jingilam ka NPP Balei tieng ya ka synshar Presiden.
I've seen that statement made by few honorable leaders, senior leaders of the UDP. I have seen it myself too. And when they mentioned that the MDA government under the leadership of the NPP, Shri Conrad Sangma, they said that damages seems to be more than the constructive programs that we did. And again, in other way, they said, we are scared if we withdraw ourselves, then President's rule will come. So my personal opinion is very clear. If you feel that the NPP-led government keep damaging the interests of the state, why should you be scared of President's rule? Why should we be scared of President's rule? Where is the threat? Because even President's rule is according to the Constitution of India. That is my question. Then, ultimately, what I'm trying to tell you here is this. From the NPP side, whatever allegation made by our partners, I have nothing to say. But whatever decision we taken as government to take up issues for the interest of the state, that has been consented by two important platforms. Number one is MDA members, and number two is even the coordination committee of the MDA constituted. Because these are the two platforms where we used to share everything about the issues, the policies of the government. No need to tackle. We don't need to tackle anything. We don't need to have a sleepless night. Let me just tell you, my statement is very clear. For almost 4.5 years now, we were together, we were united. Whatever decision we taken, we did it unanimously. And now, just because the election is about 7-8 months from now, again the party leaders of UDP, they talk this, they talk that, or maybe the BJP leaders, they talk this, that. Ultimately, let me just tell you one thing. We leave it to the wisdom of the voters. We will get a blame. We take whatever blame you make. For me, Conrad, we are ready to accept it. We take the blame. So what to do? But I'm telling you, let me just tell you one thing. Any decision we taken, any program we move forward, we never bypass anybody, but consultation was always there, so we did it. So therefore, we don't have any sleepless night. If our partner says that they are not happy, I can't help it. If other party says NPP is not a good party, that also I can't help it. But we are ready now to go back to the people of the state. So let us see whether the people of state will again have faith on NPP or no. For that, again, I will not be able to tell you right now. But from NPP side, we are now concentrating ourselves to go to each and every villages, each and every locality, to make people understand. And also, we will go with the agenda of the party for the interest and the development of the state of Meghalaya.